Big Crazy John with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures. We are at Johnson Shut-ins, and we are getting ready to hike from Taum Sauk to Johnson Shut-ins, and we're just packing up camp, so stay tuned. Very quiet here at Johnson Shut-ins. We are the only campers in Loop 3. There's one other couple in Loop 4, and we haven't been to Loop 2 yet, but it's pretty quiet. Very cold last night. Feet were cold all night. I was in a 0-degree bag, but I forgot to air up the thermarest, which I think was the problem. So stay tuned. Just letting the tent dry out. Upside 320. All right, we're starting. Jake and Amie are ahead of me. Here we go. I'm videoing Jake taking a photo.
Only 1.2 miles to go.
Not quite.
Ozark Trail and Junction, 0.3 miles. We could do that in no time.
Might be.
For this one.
Mina Sauk Falls, 100 feet, doubled toll gate, 1 mile, Ozark Trail, Johnson Shut-ins State Park, 11.5. That's our goal. Going down Mina Sauk Falls here. Pretty cool. It's frozen over, water's run under it. Devil's Tollgate. I think we hear dogs off in the distance. And pigs. Maybe some boar. Maybe some dogs found some boar. Oh, it's right there. There's a dog right there. There's some dogs. I think the pig's stuck. Probably what the problem is.
You think it's one pig?
Yeah. Stuck down there. And the dogs are trying to get to it. Yeah, they're right there.
see 'em?
Yeah, the dogs are right. I see their tails right there.
Oh, yeah.
Like they're just there's right over the ridge. It's probably that creek down there. See, they keep coming back up.
Yeah.
I think there's a pig stuck down there.
I can see the dog.
Their dogs are still going at it though, and I hear the pig every so often. So 9 miles to go. 8 miles left. Getting late. It's 3:15. I think we're gonna try to get a mile or two more. 2 more miles. How's it going?
Oh, it's going.
It's going.
Tiring.
It is. That was quite the climb. We're getting close to the top here. What's that? I think the campsite's close, where Jake and Tony stayed in July, so we might be staying there. About halfway on the Taum Sauk to Johnson Shut-ins Ozark Trail. We've picked our campsite. We got a fire going. Got the fire going. Gonna get some dinner going. Top of this mountain. It's pretty awesome. Just had some coyotes howling in the background over there. Got the tent set up. We got the big Agnes tent here. We're letting our rain fly dry out. Jake's over there, letting his stuff dry out too. Jake's got the REI Co-op Half Dome 2+. What do you think of it?
I like it.
You like it?
It's got this extra space on the sides
Oh yeah.
that adds a little room.
Cooking this kielbasa on a stick we found out in the woods. This is what keto backpacking looks like. Coyotes. They're way off. But we can hear them. That's how you dry your socks, folks.
Did pretty well dried them out, actually.
Remember, get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.